Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've made a video due to some circumstances, but I'm back and yeah, I have a lot of things to show, so that will come in time. But first we're gonna take a look at what I received today, and I'm not talking about this box set because everybody who is an Elvis fan already got this, and I think, well, I know a lot of you have done reviews on it, so it's a little bit too much if I'm gonna do the same thing, so it looks nice in the background. But I did receive a package in the mail today, and it's actually from an old colleague of mine who reached out to me on Instagram and said, "Hey, I've got some nice things I wanted to sell. Are you interested?" So he, I had to pass on a few things because, yeah, we all have a budget of what we can spend on things, and these are very cool to have. So I'm gonna open it. I couldn't find my box cutter, so I'm gonna use a potato peeler. Um, it will work. It will work. So here we go. Take off the tape. The other side was really well packaged. There we go. So what did I receive? Well, it's two very cool records from the King. First of all, there's this one. Everybody knows this one. How Great Thou Art. Look at that. But this one is actually a original US pressing, and it is, let's say, in near mint to mint condition. Look at that. Very glossy. The original black label. There we go. It's got the original inner sleeve. There we go. There we go. That's the other side. Really cool. It's in fantastic condition, and the jacket itself is still in the shrink wrap. Look at that. A little bit peeled away, but otherwise an awesome condition. So that's really cool. Awesome. Let's put the record in the sleeve. Yeah, that's a really cool thing to have. I did have a orange pressing, and I do have a black label pressing from '77. But this one is really cool to have because, yeah, it's an original first. So that's really awesome. The second one, I couldn't pass on it because, yeah, I didn't have it in my collection yet. I do have the '77 black label pressing, and that's Harum Scarum with the hype sticker. There we go. The back side, still in a very tight shrink. Really nice condition. Well, almost near mint, I can say. Let's look at the record. It comes in a extra protective sleeve. And this one, yeah, it looks like a needle never touched it, or maybe once, but yeah, look at that. little bit of dust on it, but that's something you can clean off. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Very cool. But as you all saw, it did have the hype sticker advertising that it came with a bonus photo, and sometimes these get lost, but you know, first of all, the original inner sleeve, really nice, really nice, and we've got the original bonus photo. So yeah, that's really awesome. For some of you who have seen my first video I ever made, I do have a lot of Elvis records, but this is actually the first original pressing that I have with a bonus photo, so that's really awesome to have. So that's really cool to have. Yeah, then I've got some other stuff I wanted to show you, but that will come in the next video, so I just wanted to show you. I want to thank my buddy who reached out to me to get these. Michelle, thank you very much. I hope you're watching, and hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye.